Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the game Covet Fashion. So this is for iPhone and Android. So as you can see in the game, I'm pretty poor right now, but I'm going to turn on the unlimited stuff and we're going to be rich. So go in the mod menu, you can see you can get unlimited diamonds. So I'm going to enable unlimited diamonds and let's see if it goes up. So currently there's no change, but let's see what happens. So I have 2,800 diamonds right now, so that's decent, but you know, I don't really want to. Yeah, there we go, it's rising. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this for your device, iPhone and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to get this Covet Fashion mod. So the first thing we have to do is go to our browser. We're going to go over to the website tweakmod.com. And once we're on the website, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Covet Fashion, press install, and this will start installing the mod. So there is a verification at the end where you have to download 2 apps and just complete the instructions, but it's 100% for free. And these apps are from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to wait. So it shouldn't be that hard, but you know, some people don't know how to do this. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. So as you can see, it says at the end, missing files. So we just have to download some of these apps from the App Store, and you only have to download 2 of them. So for instance, this Family Island tells me to reach level 11, so that's pretty simple. So you just download it and do that. And we've got Travel Town, tells me to reach level 9. We got Fliff, which just says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that one. So just do 2 of the apps, guys, and that will install the Covet Fashion mod onto your device. So you can see right here it says complete 2. There is a video to watch if you're confused, so you can watch that if you feel like you need guidance. But you can see TikTok downstall used for 30 seconds. So they're pretty easy. So that's how to get it for your device, guys. Super cool. So I'm going to see you later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. And that's how to get Covet Fashion mod menu 2025, guys. Super crazy. It's updated, by the way.